That was a misclick. That was a misclick.
But this is not a favorable matchup.
Look, he's doing the windows.
Hello.
Hello. Doing the windows.
I've done everything. I'll do it properly. You see the difference?
It was shiny. Nope, dog wants to go. Nope. You're not coming outside. She'll lick you. Noah. I think I just. Yes, that was not me, that was the dog. Indeed, the dog.
That's what she said.
It's true, that was the dog, not me. Hang on, see if I can get outside with. Nope, no, stay inside. In. Oh, drinking the water. Shiny. Tail wagging. Nick, no. You know what? Oh. You know what? Yeah. He's like, dude. God, it's so warm. No. Sucks. Ding ding. Look at it. I can just see him.
I see through the window.
Yes. Yeah, what's he doing? Yeah, it's a bit pointless because windows are shiny now, it reflected. Oh man, it is hot outside. I'll give a bit of a drink. The dog is being a bit of, you know, yeah, it is so hot outside. Ooh, the kids fishing. If you can see them, oops. Probably can't now, too far away, but if I zoom in the quality will just, yeah. But yeah, kids fishing. Oh, look at him, bless. Look. Mr. Licky, huh? Mr. Licky. No. No. Slurp. Okay, let's see if I can get on from the other side. Don't know which window it's at, so it might be a bit awkward. But yeah, which window is he at? He's still in this window. He's still in it. Look, look. Don't know if you can hear him, but he's whistling. Bye bye. Hamster asleep, as always. He's in this window now. Do, 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 do. Yeah. They let him clean the windows. Yeah. I feel bad for not helping, but then... Yeah. Someone has to keep an eye on that. Kids eat, lick, drink, anything. Well, not very much you can drink in the house, but if I let him on the balcony, he will try to drink the stuff off like the window, well not off the windows because it's probably all dried by now, but just like well, as it's dripping onto the floor, and of course it's got the cleaner stuff in it, and yeah, not good for the dog. But yeah, started recording like 3:05 today. It's like there's just nothing that's been happening in the morning. We did watch the new Narnia film. It's quite good actually. Found it a bit sad at the end though, when they had to leave Aslan. But yeah, it's actually quite a good film. I borrowed some from Peter's parents on DVD. Got the newest Harry Potter left. I mean, I don't know. I've seen them I've seen up to the 5th one. I haven't seen the 6th one. But for some reason I want to see how the 7th one goes. Don't know when the second half comes out. Anyway. Yeah, a bit of my drink. Hang on. Yum. Nice and cold. But yeah, it's just the weather is just gorgeous. Basically. Oh, and my tree is sprouting. Look. There. Sprouting. It's supposed to sprout on the end, and it sprouts flipping down there. But yeah, it's sprouting at not really the right time. But yeah, so all in all, it's been. The dog's looking at me thinking, what is she talking to? But no, it's been a fairly good day today, even though not much has happened. Hence why we started recording at like 3:05 in the afternoon. So no good not really much of a good morning. But hey, good morning. Bit late. But yeah, I'll try and get a few more pieces from now until tonight. So just see what happens.
First though, it's the double barrel.
I think so. I think it is.
Shit.
If not, then. If not,
I
then.
didn't look at that.
If not, then. You can see the reflection.
Sorry, what?
Oh no, when the screen went black, you can see it looked like you were just looking at the wall.
A sandstorm is brewing in the Colosseum. The Pokemon have appeared, and not even the magma's heat can stop them.
Oh hell no! I've forgotten what
It's Venator. It's dark brown.
The red corner suddenly calls their Pokemon back. Roastray is sent out. The battle begins.
Shit.
Bam! A brilliant attack right from the start. Take it out already.
Oh, I didn't count for that.
I didn't count on it was about to happen.
Ripped into by Seed Flare.
What? I put that on the other one.
It's down
In
already.
case you switched it was ineffective, so I backed it up with Seed Flare. So I put both on wreck.
Burning is sent out. is sent out. The red corner has been taking serious damage right from the start. Can they find a way out of this predicament? Tyranitar is sent out. Sliced by Stone Edge. It went down. Torched by Fireflies. A huge amount of damage. It's down. Is sent out. In terms of the number of remaining Pokemon, it's an even 50-50. Who will break this balance?
I didn't know I had him. Now it's just luck, really. How did you defeat my 8?
No, I think it was.
Arceus, probably.
No, it wasn't Arceus, it was Ancient Power.
The trainers haven't given their orders yet.
You're going to be faster than
Nicely done. Arceus faces a great deal of pressure. Sliced by Stone Edge. A huge amount of damage. It's down.
You know what I did with it?
Yeah, probably some fire move or whatever. To kill that.
Everything, it's only got one.
Hit. That hurt.
Okay, that was escape last
Vivo is fast though.
Their backs against the wall. Arceus will be lucky to get through this crisis.
I could try something funny.
Just do whatever.
Big hit. It couldn't take it. It's down.
He didn't realise you were Weavile.
Game, set, and match. The red corner has won the game.
Oh, I won.
So you made her cry. Well, it's the evening again, and yeah, it's been a bit of a slow day today. Obviously, Peter did the windows earlier, as you may have seen already, and I torched him with the camera. We decided to play Pokemon on the Wii. They battled each other. He eventually won after I had a bit of a good streak, which is rather annoying because I thought I had it and then I just got totally annihilated. Yeah, but anyway, I need a better team. Change them around. But yeah, had a bit of a fun gaming time. Yeah, not really sure of much to say, to be honest. Yeah, he's just taken the dog out, so I'm just recording this, and when he comes back he'll add it on, and I'll render it in the morning. If that's even wrong. Yeah, it's basically just been Windows, playing on the Wii, eating. That's about it, really. To be truly. Yeah, so I'll end this here. I've gone blank. Yeah, so I've best end it here before I make a fool of myself. Yeah, so good night. I guess I have to say sleep well, but yeah. Yeah. So good night and see you in the morning.